Sore throat and cough remedy. If you suffer from coughing and sore throat and you don't want medication, try this. This will help relieve your symptoms. This potent remedy will bring you relief in no time. Welcome to Green Cures. Now let's get started. You will need 4 lemons. Cut them in halves to squeeze their juice into a bowl. Squeeze the juice nicely. These lemons are rich in vitamins B, vitamin D, and C, and minerals such as iron, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. It's ideal for fighting cold and cough, which is very bad for you. Thanks to its variety of nutrients, don't discard the lemon peel. Cut it into pieces because it will be essential for our remedy. We need the peels. Then in a bowl, add 5 tablespoons of honey. Pour 100 milligrams of water. Add the lemon peels and the squeezed juice together. Heat the mixture over medium heat. Continue to stir until it boils. Lower the heat and serve the mixture in a cup. Take 3 to 4 teaspoons of the remedy immediately. This will start working for you. Try this remedy and comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell and click all. Then like our videos and share.